Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to install a blogger template. So let's get started. First of all, if I click on this option over here, this is my blog. If I click on this, you will see this is very basic over here and we are going to change this. And let's say you have already downloaded the template from somewhere. What you can do, just go back to this page, click on themes, and beside theme, you will see customize, and here is the arrow icon. Just click on this option, click on restore, and we are going to select our file from over here. But before we go further, you can see that I have already unzipped that file, so just remember that. And we are going to select this one file, .xml file. So if I go back, click on upload and click on this XML file, wait for it to restore. So once it's done, you will see something like this. But don't worry, just go back to that page, and if you refresh this right now, you will see it has been changed and your template has been installed on your blog. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to install a blog or template. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.